TechnoGIMP Module 4. Make me a name tag. Overview. Situation. Your new teacher is having a hard time memorizing your names, so she asked everyone in class to make name tags. You wanted to add a creative design to your name tag, so you decided to create it using XGimp. Learning goals. By the end of this module, you should be able to: Number 1. Design a name tag using the brush tool. Number 2. Insert a name using the text tool. Materials needed. For this module, you will need the following: mobile device, XGimp image editor app. Learn. Key terms. Name tag. An identification tag or badge bearing a person's name. Brush tool. The brush tool allows you to paint using two kinds of brush shapes on the canvas. To use this tool, go to the Tools menu and select Brush. You can change the stroke width and shape of the brush in the tool settings. Text tool. The text tool is used to insert text in the canvas. To use this tool, go to the Tools menu and select Text. Color chooser. The color chooser is also known as the color palette. You can change the color of your canvas, text, and brush using color chooser. To choose a color, go to Color Chooser and select your desired color. Then tap Done. Let's practice. Instructions. Number 1. Open the XGimp image editor app. Then tap New. Number 2. The canvas will now appear with the default dimensions. To change the color of the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Fill. Number 3. Tap the Color Chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your canvas. Then tap Done. In this example, the color white was selected. Number 4. Tap the canvas to apply the selected color. Number 5. Use the brush tool to color the digital name tag. To use this tool, go to the Tools menu and select Brush. Number 6. Tap the Color Chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your brush. Then tap Done. In this example, the color pink was selected. Next, go to the tool settings and select your preferred stroke width and shape. Then tap Done. Number 7. Tap and drag on the canvas until the white area is covered. Number 8. Use other colors to design the name tag. In this example, 3 colors were used: purple, beige, and yellow-orange. Number 9. To insert text in the canvas, go to the Tools menu and select Text. Number 10. Type the text that you want to put in the canvas. In this example, Joy was typed in uppercase. Change its font family font size and font style under Format options. Then tap Done. Number 11. Tap the color chooser. In the dialog box that will appear, select a color for your text. Then tap Done. In this example, the color black was selected. Number 12. Drag the text to the center of the canvas and rotate it using the rotate handles. Tap the text when done. Number 13. To crop the image, go to the Tools menu and select Resize Image. Number 14. Tap and drag the crop handles to resize the image. Then tap the Crop Tool option at the bottom part of the canvas. Number 15. To save the image, tap the Options menu, Save Copy.